Hello everyone, I'm Mohammad Nasif Nawaz, civil engineer. Welcome to our channel SDC Designs. In this channel we discuss about uses of various software in the field of civil engineering. In our present session we are going to discuss about from the basic level of Revit to an intermediate stage. In my first video I have discussed about how to set up the unit and what is its interface. Now we are going to create a label in today's chapter. Labels are the most important thing to create a plan. Labels means the vertical distance. If you do not assign any vertical distances, then you can't create a model. To create labels, go to your architectural tab and here is label, or to activate first go to any of its elevation. You can see that in Revit basically there is two labels, and if you wish in planning, the 0 label is treated as the base label and it sits label 2 it sits upper level. If you create any walls in level 1 and assign its height to level 2, then the walls will automatically created from level 1 to level 2. There is the beauty of Revit is that you can create 3D model, structural model and each and everything in a single platform. It's a BIM software, that's building information model. So let's provide for our proceed towards our today's tutorial. To create a label, you can go to architectural tab from any of its elevation view and select labels from here. And there is one thing, grid is for layout in any floors and label is to give vertical layouts. So click here or you can press L from your keyboard. You can see that our label command is activated now. Okay, now to create a label you can just go to Windows and drag your line. You can see that left side there is dimension. This is how, what is the distance between label 2 and our would be label. You can just click here and drag and click here. You can create another label by doing the same process. You can see for this purpose there will be a hell lot of time. So there is a second technique to create a label. That's you are going to label and select pick lines, and now you can give any offset which you want. In generally we are giving offset of 3000 millimeter. Okay, now if you drag the cursor from up towards the label, then you can see that a dotted line plotted at the upper side. This means a label will be created at that point. Just select here, you can see that a label has been created. But if you select from its lower side, then you can see that a dotted line is created at the lower side, means the label is created at the lower side. Let's create another one label here. Okay, to get back from this comment, just press escape from your keyboard twice. Okay, you can see that whenever we are creating a label, the label is shown in our project browsers as floor plans and ceiling plans. In floor plans you can go any of the labels and this is depend at that floor. You can create a model at any floor you want. If there is change in one floor to another floor, you can assign it by simply going to our floor plans at that level. We will discuss it later. Okay, so friends, this is our current session where we discussed about how to create labels. In our next video we will discuss about how to modify these labels. Okay, means how to rename it, how to change its dimension, its height dimension and everything. Thank you for today. Just like and subscribe our channel to get notification and get such videos which will help you in further. Thank you.